Welcome to the Department of Library Services, where we provide guidance on plagiarism and the use of artificial intelligence. This video will cover the following topic: the University of Pretoria Framework for AI Usage, the University of Pretoria Policy Framework for AI Usage, at the University of Pretoria, AI policies vary across faculties and modules, with some allowing limited, properly disclosed use for specific tasks while others prohibit AI entirely. Therefore, students must always consult their module study guides and confirm expectations with their lecturers before using any AI tools, as policies generally follow three common approaches. Three policy levels. Level 1, prohibited. Policy: no AI tools permitted for any part of the assignment or assessment process. All submitted work must be 100% human authored without AI assistance of any kind. Consequence: using AI in these modules constitutes academic misconduct and will be prosecuted according to UP's disciplinary procedures. Level 2, limited assistance. Policy: AI permitted only for preliminary tasks, such as brainstorming topic ideas, understanding concepts, or grammar checking on text you have written. No AI-generated text may appear in the final submission. Requirement: all AI use must be fully disclosed in accordance with module guidelines, including for preliminary work. Level 3, integrated use. Policy: AI use is a required or explicitly permitted component of the assignment methodology. Students must engage with AI as part of the learning objectives. Requirement: all AI interactions must be fully cited, disclosed in detail, analyzed critically, and verified against credible sources. The assignment typically includes reflection on AI's strengths and limitations. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the lesson. Please refer to the additional videos for guidance on plagiarism and AI use.